Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In this installation video, we will guide you through the process of successfully installing the remanufactured front air struts for a Mercedes-Benz S-Class W221 and a Mercedes-Benz CL-Class C216 with Airmatic and ADS and with 4MATIC. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Now raise the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. Next, locate the air strut's wiring block inside the wheel well. Then remove the metal retaining clip as well as the two electrical plugs. Cut the table tie and remove the wiring bracket from the air strut. Now loosen and remove the lower mounting nut and separate the lower ball joint from the lower control arm. Next, loosen and remove the airline from the top of the air strut. Also loosen and remove the three top mounting nuts. You are now able to remove the air strut from the vehicle. Then remove the offset plate from the top of the air strut. The offset plate will be reused on your Arnott air strut in the same orientation from which it was removed. The removal of the old air strut is now complete. Install the new front air struts in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Thank you for following our guide on installing the new Arnott front, right and left air strut for Mercedes-Benz. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.